Hello, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Good
Okay,
evening.
hi, my name is Shreshi from Clapingo. Could you introduce yourself a little bit?
Hello, my name is Rahul Raj and I did my graduation in civil engineering.
Okay,
And recently I lived in Noida 62, but I belong to Bihar.
okay. So, why are you here? Are you doing a job or something here?
No, I am fresher and I am looking for a job in IT sector.
Okay, okay, okay. So, how long have you been here in Clapingo? Wait, this is your 10th session, right? Uh,
Yes, 10th. Yes,
okay, so,
you can say.
so how has your journey been so far? Do you think you've improved in a certain way? What all have you learned?
Something improved. Like I speak sometimes, no, I speak fluently.
Hmm. Okay, that's nice. So, do you usually follow the session materials given?
Sometime I followed, sometime as usual normal talking.
Normal conversation. So, what do you want to do today?
As usual, normal conversation, yeah, otherwise you can do both.
Okay. Okay, so we can do a bit of both only. So, the session materials topic is childhood. So, can you tell me where did you spend your childhood in, like which place, and what is your best memory from your childhood?
I am born in Bihar Sharif,
Mm-hmm.
but my childhood is in my village.
Okay,
Mostly I lived there.
got it, got it. All right. So, what do you love the most about Bihar?
There are many things to love,
Hmm.
like in Nalanda, where I lived,
Okay,
too
okay.
many places to visit.
Nalanda also has some historical like importance, right?
Yes, Nalanda, Rajgir,
Okay, yeah.
in Patna, and some other places also.
So
Like
what is
Bhagalpur is also called Silk City.
okay, okay. So can you tell a little bit more about Nalanda? So if somebody who doesn't know about Nalanda and you have to explain to that person the importance of this place, can you say a few sentences on that?
In Nalanda district, too many visiting places like in Rajgir is Buddhist places and more things are now open. Zoo Safari and Nalanda Khandar
Okay.
and also one hot water kund there.
Hmm. Okay, okay. All right. So you said you live in Noida or something?
Currently, I am living in Noida.
Okay, so do you miss home?
No, not at all because I mostly live outside
Okay.
from
Yeah.
after 10th class
Oh, okay. Why is it so?
because I prepared for IIT in Kota and
Okay.
after I mm, go Bhopal for complete my graduation.
Okay, so you've lived outside only. Okay.
Yes,
So,
before 10th I lived in Ranchi in a
mm,
hostel.
oh, okay. Got it. But how often do you talk to your family?
No, in my rest of my family is also living in Noida
Oh, okay,
with
okay.
me.
Oh, you're living with your family only.
Yes,
Okay, then it's fine only. All right. So, what are your hobbies? What was your hobby when you were a child?
my hobby this time I am playing cricket and now I also love to play cricket, but this time I don't have a time
Yeah.
and don't
Okay.
have a place to play.
Yeah. And also people to play with.
Yeah,
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. But do you
in
watch
Noida,
cricket too?
yes, I love to watch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What were you saying in Noida something?
In Noida, no one go to play cricket or
Yeah. Get it. Yeah. People are busy with work, jobs, and
yes.
everything. Yeah, that's true. Hmm. Okay, so do you like the life here in Delhi NCR, or do you not like it?
I like it better because in this place is mostly uh, like my place, like a Bihar.
Yeah.
Mostly live people like Bihar and UP, and
Hmm.
my language is Hindi. That's no problem to. Mm,
Yeah. There's no language barrier.
Yes, like you go Bangalore and there you are
Hmm.
speaking English. Otherwise, you can speak in Tamil or that place language.
Yeah. True,
And
true.
many
Yeah.
people there, many people do not speak English also.
Yeah,
Then
that is the worst part. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah. Because you already don't know their mother tongue, and if they don't know
yes.
English nor Hindi, then it's like, how will you even speak
You
to
want to
each
go
other?
somewhere, then you
Yeah.
are
This is something even I
that place is
faced.
very big problem.
Yeah, yeah, especially the auto drivers and the Uber drivers. They don't know
Yes,
any
yes.
of the languages, Hindi or English, and you're just stuck asking. After a point, you're just using sign languages, like so stupid. Yeah, but I get it. It's very difficult to communicate over there. Hmm. So, yeah, India is a very diverse country. Sometimes it's very difficult to manage things. Yeah,
And where are you from?
I am from Assam.
And what are you doing?
I am a
College
student.
student or
No, no, I'm a student only. But I'm doing graduation.
okay
Yeah.
from English?
No, no, not English. Sociology.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So you said you were preparing for IIT. So then what happened?
I did not selected because I give that time I give JEE means,
Mm-hmm.
and in JEE means I didn't select.
Okay, that's okay. But like, what do you think about the competition in the country? Why there's so much competition?
A
Sometimes
very
it's
limited seat
frustrating.
in IIT and NIT.
Very little, yeah, very
I have
limited
to say
seats.
we have 7,000 seats, but mostly 5,000 only seat.
Yeah, yeah, 5,000 seats only. That's very, and so many
And
people are
yes,
apply every.
that time I applied around 14 lakh in
Hmm.
JEE means and NIT. That time NIT apply 14 lakhs,
Wow, that's
and
so many.
in 14 lakh you get a rank in around 150, 1.5 lakh. Then you
Only,
give the mains exam.
yeah, that is so that is so tough. Same with the medical field also, I feel there's too much competition.
But in medical field you have most time you have most chance. Like
Okay, good.
do not barrier about how many times you give exam. But in IIT you give only two. You have
Hmm.
one other chance after giving 12th.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it. I
Out
didn't know
NIT
this.
you get three chance, but
Hmm. Not IIT. Got it. All right. So, these days, what do you do? Like, what are your hobbies? What do you do from morning till evening?
as usual normal day like I'm learning some online software testing like software testing and Java,
Okay,
and
okay,
I also work on YouTube something.
okay, okay,
Recently, in 2018, I started YouTube, but that time I not do regular basis.
okay. So now you
After
do?
again I start, but I'm not uploading right now, which is no I know technical department.
Hmm.
I
Got
want
it.
to upload, but after some days I
Okay,
start.
you'll start again. All right, got it. So, what kind of videos do you upload?
This time to recently I most in these videos like conversation video, but I want to upload a technical video like unboxing, and
Hmm.
before I also uploading this type of video.
Okay. Do you upload Clapingo also?
And now I am uploading
Okay, got it, got it. All right. Okay, okay. So, what kind of feedbacks have your previous tutors given you?
like improve your grammar section and some tenses.
Okay, tenses, yeah.
Sometime I am not comfortable like when I speak to sentence not to make like sometime
The structure is
with
wrong.
present tense and yes, use
Mm-hmm.
present tense and past and
Got it,
the
got it. You mix up the tenses.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So, all right. So you also said, you said you like cricket. So can you speak a little more about who your favorite players are and what are the personality traits
Now,
in them that
but
you like?
when I am child, that time my favorite cricketer is Sachin Tendulkar. But now, recently, who played in Rohit Sharma.
Okay, what do you
I
like
love
about him?
because I love this technique. He play more. mm, He when he played, he had much more time to hit a ball.
Hmm.
He enjoyed to play like yeah, I when I watched him. I love to watch how he
Okay,
plays and
got it. So what about like personality traits? Do you like anything about his persona, about his the way he carries himself or something like that? Except for the fact that he plays well.
his captaincy. I think he bowling based captaincy he doing and he is cool
He
minded also
he does
like
well.
a Dhoni.
Yeah, yeah, got it. Okay, okay. Yeah, so even I would suggest you to brush up your tenses a little bit more. You know, past, present, future tense. I want
Yes,
you
yes,
to read a little more of the rules and practice a few exercises also so that you can like um, basically practicing exercises is the main part. Just reading the rules won't help because you will forget till the time you're not practicing. Yeah. And
yes,
also like vocabulary, I think you can improve your vocabulary also. You know, the session material that provides you so many
yes,
words,
yes,
maybe you can just learn some of the words and try to use them in your conversation. That will help you.
yes.
Hmm.
That's right.
Yeah, okay. So you already said you've seen some improvement in yourself, right? So, which is a great thing. So, how were you like when you were in your first session, and what is it like now?
That too much, not too much improve, but improve. I improved it.
Yeah, little
Like
bit
that
is also
time,
fine. Yeah.
yes,
Mm.
that time I stuck in when I conversation to mm, tutor. I stuck some sentences.
Uh,
I forgot that sentence how to make this sentence after the sentence.
hmm. Got it. All right. So I would still say you improve your tenses, focus on your tenses, and I think you should read more about tenses actually and try to apply
Yes,
them in your conversation. Just give 15 minutes every day. I think it will be enough. But be determined to do that. Yeah.
yes, I try.
Okay. Any last thoughts?
Next time, so I don't.
Okay. Fine. Then see you next time.
Okay,
All right then. Bye. Take care.
bye.